As I mentioned in the previous video, we won't be referring to these tools too much in the upcoming videos.
This video is brought to you by OppiPies Academy.
We will, however, be working quite a lot with the Layers panel right here and the Adjustments panel right here. And by the way, if you can't see them, simply either go to the Window menu and find both the Adjustments and the Layers right here, or simply turn your workspace to Essentials, as these panels, both the Adjustments and the Layers, are a part of the Essentials workspace right here. And if for some reason you messed up your Essentials workspace, just hit Reset Essentials right here to bring it back to its default state. Here in the top we got the menus, and well, the idea behind the menus being displayed in the top bar is similar in any kind of piece of software. However, I would like you to notice that if you are ever stuck with some function, that something is not really working on you, or you don't know where to look for some specific option, just refer to this top bar with this concept in mind. So if you ever want to do something about the image, just head over to the Image menu. And if you're looking for something about the layer, well, just go to the Layer menu. And if you want to find something about the type, just go to the Type menu, because all these panels or their names refer to certain options that you can or actions that you can perform using these options right here. Beneath the top menu bar is our control panel, and the thing to know about the control panel is that it changes whenever you choose a different tool. So if I choose the crop tool, it's gonna change to give me some options that work with the crop tool. If I change it to, let's say, a type tool, it's gonna change to give me some type tool, some other typing tools or typing options that are specific to the type tool. And if I go for the brush tool, it's gonna change and give me some options that correspond or that go with the brush tool right here. And if you want, you can detach this control panel like so, if it's something that you want. If you say that you want to save some space here in the top, or you have a large monitor and you just want to have it detached because you prefer to work like so, well, you can do it by dragging it, and then if you change your mind, simply dock it back right here in the top part of your screen. So actually, these are the main things that will get you going and that will get you started using Photoshop. And if you need some more, well, actually we will cover some more stuff about the interface in the next video, but they will be more like practical shortcut kind of things. But for now, let's just stick to these simple rules, that we have our main tools on the left right here, that whenever we click on a tool and we see this little arrow next to it, we are going to get some additional tools right here, that in Photoshop we got the foreground and the background color, that on the right we got our panels right here, that we can change our workspace here in the Essentials, well, in the workspace switcher, and now we are working with the Essentials workspace right here. Then we got the top menu right here, and whenever we want to change something about the layer, we can simply head on to the Layers menu. If we want to change something about the image, let's go to the Image menu, and so on. And that we got our control panel being displayed right here, and whenever we choose a tool right here, we are going to get some different set of, well, different options that go with that specific tool. So in the next video, we are going to talk about some very practical and handy shortcuts when working with the workspace. But don't worry, they will be quick, they will be brief, and they will be super practical. So see you in the next video.